Hey everyone, it's Rita. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to have the very exciting Nordstrom anniversary sale. I am going to be showing you kind of like what I'm thinking I'm getting and some of my recommendations. So I am not 100% sure what I'm gonna get just yet because I do want to go in store, and especially because of clothing items. So I'm gonna kind of like just tell you what I think is worth looking at, and kind of like clothes related, but just like overall they do have a lot of things, like literally so much. So I am going to kind of like show you my recommendations in beauty and what I'm getting in the beauty side, and then just for the clothing and shoes I'm just going to kind of like mention what I think I'm going to look at, but I am not for certain if I'm gonna be able to get it, because if maybe it's gonna be already out of stock, or if I go in store I'm sorry, and the clothes are not, fitting perfect for me, then of course I'm not gonna get it. So for clothing, I'm just gonna kind of like give a vague thing of what I might get. But beauty, I do want to tell you what I'm gonna get and what I would recommend. So anyway, let's just get right. Is gonna be actually two primers, or my first two recommendations are gonna be primers. So the very first one is probably my favorite primer of all times, and that's gonna be the Bobbi Brown, the Face Base. So this is called the Vitamin Face Base, and it's going to be a primer, but really you can use it as like an everyday lotion. I picked up mine last year in last year's sales, so it's gonna be two of these for $60, when a usual price for one of this, and this is gonna be the full size, is gonna be $60. So you're getting one free basically whenever you purchase this one. And I am gonna be picking up one of these sets because I'm gonna be gifting this to my mom. She tried mine and she has like a little sample and she really liked it, and she actually wants to use it as kind of like a more everyday easy moisturizer. I like it as a primer or like as a face base, but she does like this as a moisturizer. So anyway, I'm gonna be picking that up for her. And then my second primer recommendation is going to be the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. So this is going to be in a pretty good price. This one is going to be $23.40. It's a regular size, $39. And this is like the Becca, another one of my favorite primers, but this one is going to be kind of like a more illuminating primer, as the Bobbi Brown is kind of like a more hydrating, that you can literally just easily double this one as your face moisturizer for like your everyday and as a primer. But these ones I love using even them together, because this one is gonna give you a ton of illumination on your face, which of course I always love. So there is this Charlotte Tilbury kit that is gonna be all full size for $149. So I am interested in this. I'm not entirely sure if I'm gonna pick it just yet, because I don't know how her actual skincare items would be. So it's going to be the Charlotte Tilbury Red Carpet Skin Secrets. So it's gonna come with the full-size serum, the eye cream, and her moisturizer, which is kind of like very famous, the Magic Cream, and very popular. So I'm not sure if I'm going to pick this one up just yet, but it is one of those that I'm interested in. Another one from Charlotte Tilbury that I might pick up is going to be the duo of her Eyes to Mesmerize, and then the full size of the Legendary Lashes Volume 2. So one of her mascaras, which I've heard is really, really good. And for her Eyes to Mesmerize, I love those eyeshadows. So I might just end up picking it up. It's not one of my my primary things to pick up, but I'll see how my build is going by the end of the actual things that I really want to pick up, and then I'll probably will be getting this one. So it comes with two Eyes to Mesmerize, one in the shade Golden Eclipse and then one in the shade Star Gold, and again her Legendary Lashes mascara. Another one that I think it's a really good recommendation, or that I would definitely pick up if I didn't already have it, is going to be from Charlotte Tilbury, also the Pillow Talk Secrets set. So this is gonna come with a full-size Pillow Talk lipstick, which I already own, the Pillow Talk lip liner, which again I already own, and then it's also including a full-size lip collagen bath in Pillow Talk. So I do not have that one, and I do have another one of hers in that collagen bath, and I really like the lip gloss. but I just don't think I'm gonna get it because of course I already have two out of the 3 items. So for the items that I'm actually picking up from the sale, the first one is going to be, or I'm gonna start with like my skincare items, and then I'll just go for my makeup. I am for sure only picking up one makeup item, which is kind of odd. But anyway, for my very first thing, I'm going to be picking up the New Faced Toning Device Set. This is of course on the more pricier side, but it is going to be a kind of like helping you with wrinkles and elasticity. And I mean, I am in my early 30s, so I do want to remain as youthful as I can. So this is supposed to be a really good product or a really good device to help you with wrinkles and, you know, to get your face a bit more kind of like a more lifted look. So this one is gonna be $233 with 16 cents. I don't know why that number is, it's kind of odd. So it comes with the mini facial toning device, and it comes with like a little almost like pen looking one that is going to be for like your smaller areas, so like around your eyes and around your mouth, all of those kind of like more delicate and smaller areas where you can't really put the big device. So I am pretty excited about this one. I've heard a lot of good things about it. Like, you actually have to use it every day to see the results. So I am pretty good at my skincare both morning and night, so I already have that kind of like mindset that I do take my time to use these products or to use my serums and all my skincare. So I don't doubt that I'm gonna use it, and I do want to see results, especially because I do feel like it's going to help me. I don't have a lot of wrinkles, of course, but to kind of like tone my face, especially like I have felt lately that my chin area is not as good as it was before. So I do want to use it for this area and my cheekbones to kind of like bring that out a bit. So for my second skincare item, I'm going to be picking the Paula's Choice, the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant, and this one is going to be $39. Another product that I've heard really good things about, and this one is kind of like a bigger bottle. It's the jumbo size. Sometimes my Spanish comes out really strong and my accent is stronger than ever. So anyway, this one I really want to try. I do have another one that I've been using by Mira that is kind of like the same thing, like an HAA, BHA exfoliant. I've heard good things about this one. I do like my Mirrored one, but I want to try this one because I think it's going to be even better. So that one is again $39. I'm picking up by Drybar the big detox dry shampoo. This one is $34. I mean, I usually don't buy more kind of like pricier dry shampoo because I go through it really fast. I'll go through like a big bottle of Batiste in like probably less than a month, because I do only wash my hair twice or maybe 3 times the most a week. And the rest of the days when of course I didn't wash my hair, I do like to go with dry shampoo. But I really do like this one. I've had it before and I love the scent. Another kind of like not really makeup but like makeup related item is going to be the Beauty Blender set. So I'm going to be picking this up. It's going to be $35. Comes with 2 of the beauty blenders and then 1 of those little sample size of the cleanser. Surprisingly this year I don't have a lot of items that caught my attention in the beauty department. Saying that, but I really don't know what's gonna happen once I go in store, because I do want to go shop in store because there are some items, clothing items and hats that I want to try on in store before I actually order them. So for beauty, I think that's pretty much it that I have on my wish list. I was thinking about the Laura Mercier Trio, which I did forget to mention, but I think that's a really good price. It's gonna be $58 for 3 of them in the full size. It comes with the shade Amethyst, the Au Naturel, and the Rose Gold. The only reason why I'm debating about this is because I already have 2 of those. I have the Amethyst and I have the Rose Gold. So I don't think it's gonna be worth it for me to purchase this set since I already have 2 out of 3, again like the Charlotte Tilbury, because I do have a couple of clothing items and shoe items. So I just realized that the shoes that I wanted from Adidas are sold out. So never mind. I knew that those were not gonna last long. I hope that the booties, there are 2 booties that I really want to get. The first ones are gonna be the Steve Madden in the cognac leather. So I'm gonna of course put the picture here. I want them really bad. I love the shade. It's such a beautiful brown that I don't have any shoes that are similar to this. I have some Madewell booties but are kind of like different style, and I love this style. They're super cute. They're gonna be $79.90, so $80. I am going to be picking up in the size probably 7 or 7.5. but these are also going to be ones that I'm hoping to purchase as soon as I am able to buy on Monday, because I think these ones are gonna run out of stock. So if they haven't by that time I can shop, I'm definitely picking those up. And then I have some other ones that I really like by Mark Fisher. These ones are $99.90. They're in the, I want them in the suede shade. They're called Cloud Suede. They look super cute and I love the style. I love how it has, you know, that block heel that's gonna be super comfy. So these are the other ones that I'm interested in. And lastly, another one's from Mark Fisher. I don't know how I feel about this. I think these are some that I really want to see in store. This one is in the shade Taupe Croc. So they're gonna be like that fake croc design. And they're kind of like in an off-white shade. I think those would be cute. I definitely have nothing on my shoe collection in that shade. But just that croc is something that I would like to see in store, to see if it doesn't like look, I don't know. Anything that's croc leather, I feel like it looks really cute if you see it in person, because it could go like really bad. I don't know. That's just what I think. But those are literally the only booties I have like thinking that I want to get. So moving with like kind of like more accessories, there are some hats that I've been eyeing, but I feel like it's going to be the best bet for me to go in store and check them out, because my head is super small and I struggle so much finding hats in general and especially online. So there are a couple of them. I have this one by the brand Brixton in the shade Coconut. This one is gonna be $38.90. Most of the hats range around that kind of like $38, $40. So this one is really cute and it's gonna be that kind of like felt. So I want this one for the more fall, winter months. Another one that looks super cute is by actually Nordstrom, and this one is in the shade Tea Rose. Again, $38.90. I love the little detail of the ribbon, like a satin ribbon in pink. I just love this hat, but again, I need to go in store and try it on because I know that I struggle so much. So again, this one is gonna be for more like since it's felt, it's gonna be for like the fall winter. And then another one, lastly, it's gonna be from Halogen in the shade Camel Combo. So I love again the ribbon detail of like the camel, and this one is also $38.90. Same deal, store, so I can actually try them on. And then for the last hat, I do love this one, and I wanna, of course, for right now, the summer, this one is by the brand Brixton and in the shade Honey Honey, $35.90. This is going to be a straw hat. So I know that I can still use it a lot because Houston is, you know, hot forever, but I think this one is super cute. Out of all of the hats that I have in mind, this one is my favorite. Of course, the other ones are felt, but this one is super cute. And again, I love the little detail on the side. Like it's also, I feel like it's also a ribbon. Yeah, it's also like a ribbon, but it has like a bow, like kind of like those cute bows. So it's really, really cute. And it's actually cheaper than the other ones. But they're gonna be different ones. Like I want a couple of the felt ones. Definitely if it fits me. The one the most excited about out of the felt ones is gonna be the Nordstrom one, the pink one. Super, super cute. But we will see once I go in store. Maybe none of them fit me and I'm gonna be devastated. And then lastly, for the kind of like more accessory types, I have this sterling silver gold pearl necklace. Picture is gonna be right here. This is gonna be $39.90. I think it's super cute that it has kind of like the pearls on the bottom and then the chain like looking like an actual kind of like chain, but everything is in gold. It's super cute. I want to see it in person to see how long it is. I'm hoping it's gonna be kind of like the most this long, but something pretty short. I think it's gonna be super, super cute. And now to finish up, I'm gonna go into the clothing items. So Nordstrom under sale has a lot of jeans. So if you are looking for jeans, I highly suggest you go either in store or check out the jeans section from the website because they have a ton of them. A lot of designer, a lot of like more affordable items. But to me, jeans are something that I struggle so much to find something that fits me right. So this is going to be something that I definitely have to go in store and check them out. I'm not sure like really because I just purchased 2 brand new ones from Madewell, so I don't have the need for any jeans right now. But of course, once I go in store and I maybe see 1 or 2 that I like, I'll try them on and see how, you know, how it goes from there. But not really like are real interested in getting any jeans, but they are always a really good deal to check them out if you are interested in, you know, they also have a ton of workout items. I just purchased 2 brand new kind of like full sets of workouts that I haven't received just yet. They're coming from the UK, this random brand that I found online called FlexFit. I'm pretty excited for those. So I don't have a lot of need right now for workout clothes, but there are these Adidas ones that are gonna be full, like a full length leggings, and they look super cute. These are gonna be $26.90, and I don't actually own any black full length leggings, so I do want to pick this up. I do hope that they're still available by that time I can shop on Monday. And of course Sella has a ton of different ones. And now for the more kind of like fall winter items that I have in my wish list, there's going to be a halogen, I don't know how to pronounce it, the halogen cashmere sweater, and I want to pick this one up in the shade gray dark heather, and I will pick it up in an extra small. It is very affordable. It's gonna be $57.90. Regular price gonna be $98, which is kind of like the normal price for a cashmere sweater. They always range around, you know, the cheaper ones around the $100. So $57.90, it's a really good price. So if you're looking for cashmere sweaters, maybe look into this brand. I've never bought anything from their brand, so I don't know how their cashmere is, but it has good reviews and people say they like it. So I want to pick it up in that dark gray shade, maybe in the light white also, but I'm not sure. Definitely the gray. I really like that shade. Of course, the ever so famous on kind of like the Instagrammers or the bloggers, the Barefoot Dream ones. So there is one that I think would be really cute. This is going to be the long cardigan, and this one is the Cozy Chic Light. So I think it's gonna be a little bit kind of like lighter in fabric and not as thick. I think they were saying not as thick as like the leopard one that everyone has, but I am pretty interested in this one in the size extra small and the shade bisque, which is kind of like an off-white. I think that would go really good with my wardrobe. I really like that one. So again, hopefully it's still available by the time I shop. And then just one last random item. This is going to be from the brand Slip. I'm gonna be getting the queen pillowcase in the duo. These are $125 for, of course, the duo, and I'm gonna be picking up because they only have 2 shades, the more pinkish and then the more kind of like white or like cream shade. I'm gonna be getting the cream shade. They are expensive, of course, because these are literally just 2 pillowcases, but they're supposed to be really good silk pillowcases, so I want some of those. I think that's it, you guys. I think those are the only things that I have on my list. I'm just kind of like looking through the list. Again, there's not a lot of things that really caught my eye, but I guess that's a good thing. But once I go in store, everything could change of like what I really wanted. Then I go in store and maybe I don't like it, or I like more things better. So I don't know. It's still gonna be like up in the air until I actually go in store. I will be, of course, filming what I got, or like, you know, what I got from the sale. Probably going to be that video coming up after this one, or maybe I'll put this one up first. This weekend is coming up this weekend, and then I'll shop on Monday in store. And then after that, I'll probably release that video that week, sometime that week, probably on the end of the week. I'm not exactly sure yet. But yeah, again, there's not a lot of things that really caught my eye in the beauty department. I wish there had been more, but I don't know, at this point, I am really guiding more towards skincare compared to makeup. I just feel very content with my makeup collection at the moment. Of course, there's always new things that are gonna excite me, but as is right now, from what I saw on the sale, nothing too exciting for me. But anyway, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comments down below what you're picking up. If you have any recommendations, let me know, because there's still a couple more days before I start to shop. And if I pick up, of course, new things, I'll show them in the new video, and I'll, you know, do a little try on if I ended up getting a couple of, you know, clothing pieces. But for the most part, I think I'm gonna be more guided to those beauty items. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!